The FDA is expanding labeling regulations on everything, and it's creating production line nightmares. If you look at the standard process of one label for every product, a mandated change can mean manually updating every label in the system. And if the average person makes a mistake every few hundred keystrokes, you run the risk of an error for every label touched. So, what would it mean to fix one of the most error-prone areas associated with the updates and maintenance of labels? With Domino's Quick Design Datalink add-on, product codes and label data can be directly populated from a central database. Plus, by utilizing the QuickDesign Label Designer, templates can be used to reduce the overall number of labels to just the minimum required, with all variables retrieved automatically from the database. Being able to make changes quickly and efficiently is critical. That's why QuickDesign Datalink with database lookup gives you the confidence that your production line can handle anything that comes its way. Just imagine reducing your library of labels to a critical few. And if your business could simplify label creation and reduce the number of labels you have to maintain, imagine the impact on productivity and line speed. Contact Domino today, your experts in coding automation and validation, to discuss error-free coding solutions and QuickDesign, Domino's innovative coding automation software.